Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be demonstrating how to take out a DPF map from a Vauxhall Meriva 2007. We're going to use the professional DPF remover software. Once that's open, we're going to go under opel-Vauxhall. After we've selected Vauxhall, we're going to go under Meriva 70-90 CV and we're going to select the original file. And that shows you that the DPF map is found, and we're going to click OK because we want the DPF map removed. And now we'll just rename it as Meriva KB57 DPF removed. What you can also do is, if you want to remove the EGR map as well as the DPF map, so if you've done the EGR already, you can open this file. You'll find the DPF map on that as well. Click OK, and this one will be Meriva KB57 EGR and DPF removed, and you can save that and close this as all of that is done. Open up the folder, and as you can see, you've got the two new files here, the DPF and the EGR and DPF. Now you can put any, if you want just the DPF removed, you can select this one, or if you want to get rid of the EGR as well, then you should put this one and get all of it done in one go, and that'll be better for your car. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new uploads.